Hey everyone, welcome back Serial A to Z. What happened? Why of the smartest people in the world comes face to face with animals? Well, if you are Sheldon Cooper, the answer is simple, absolutely Josh. From terrifying birds and mysterious snakes to spoiled dogs, injured rabbits, and even a relationship changing turtle, today's episode delivers some of the funniest animal related moments we have ever seen. Let's dive in. Sheldon versus bird. Everything starts when a small bird accidentally enters the apartment. For most people, it's no big deal, but for Sheldon, it's basically a flying nightmare. While Bernard tries to convince him that the bird is harmless, Sheldon is convinced he is starting death in the face. He reminds everyone that birds kill people every year, and instead he is not about to become another statics. After a lot of encouragement, Sheldon finally manages to pet the bird. For one glorious moment, he conquers his fear, then immediately suggests flushing it down the toilet. Classic Sheldon. Things get even crazier when the gang builds an ultrasonic device to scare the bird away. Unfortunately, the bird could not care less. At that point, Sheldon reaches only one logical conclusion: burn the apartment, the cat collection. It emotionally damaged from the bird incident. Sheldon decided he needs companionship. His solution: cats. Not one cat, not one cat, not two cats. A whole army of cats. When his mother arrives, she is greeted, greeted by a house filled with felines, felines and each wahi with a ridiculously complicated name. She immediately realized what's really happening. Sheldon is not healing, he is coping, and maybe just a little bit obsessing. The clean room disaster. Meanwhile, Leonard and Howard encounter a bird of their own inside a highly controlled clean room where even teeny dust particles can ruin expensive experiments. A pigeon somehow gets inside. Panic erupts instantly. The guys attempt increasingly ridiculous plans to remove it: blankets, fire extinguisher, arguments, accusations. Everything goes wrong. And before they know it, disaster strikes. The birds gets injured, sending everyone into full meltdown mode. Howard even reveals a distur- disturbing childhood story involving another bird and a failed attempt at resurrection. Some memories are better felt buried. Sheldon versus the snake. As if birds were not enough, Sheldon later discovered a snake hiding in a desk drawer. The moment he sees it, all logic disappears. The snake instantly transforms into a terrifying monster in his imagination. After very considering helping it, Sheldon quickly remembers that fear is winning this battle. Not every scientific problem has a scientific solution. Sometimes running away work fine. Just fine. Raj spoiled princess. Next, we meet a cinnamon Raj beloved, a dog, and when we say beloved, we mean spoiled beyond belief. This dog has a better meal plan than most people, especially breakfast and fancy dinners. That's strict dietary requirements. The works when Howard and Bernard are asked to watch her. Everything seems fine at first until cinnamon disappears. What follows is a full scale panic attack. The couple starts questioning their parenting abilities before they have even had children. Luckily, Cinnamon is eventually found safe and sound. Although Raj's reaction makes everyone wonder whether the dog's own his instead of the other way around. The rabbit's rescue. Later, Howard and Bernard discover an injured rabbit. Determined to help, they bring the little guy inside and begin nursing him back to health. The internet quickly becomes their emergency medical guide. Warm tools, electro lattice, constant monitoring. Everything seems to be going perfectly. Then the rabbit bites Howard. Suddenly, a simple rescue mission becomes a full blown rabbit investigation. Howard immediately assumes the worst, because if there one thing Howard loved almost as so much a comic book, it's overacting of medical situation. The turtle that started an argument. Finally, Sheldon and Amy decide they are ready for a major relationship milestone. Then, no, not marriage, not moving in together. A turtle. After extensive scientific analysis, they determine that turtles are the perfect fit. Quite shallow and predictable, basically the animal version of Sheldon. But their exciting day takes a surprising turn when Amy discovers Sheldon secretly applied for a future mission to colonize Mars. Collision Mars. Suddenly, the turtle is not the biggest issue anymore. What started as pet shopping quickly turns into a serious conversation about trust, commitment, and the future of their relationship. Only Sheldon could turn buying a turtle into an interplanetary argument, and from bird invasion and snake scare to spoiled dog, injured rabbit, and relationship turtle, this episode provides one thing: no matter how intelligent Sheldon and his friend may be, animals always find a way to outsmart them. And honestly, that's exactly what makes these moments so hilarious. If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which animal moment was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.